So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to build email campaigns in Shopify. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat. To build a highly profitable campaign, don't just ask an email, give Claude your customer data. Export your recent Shopify sales or customer segment report as a CSV. Type this quick execution prompt, act as an elite e-commerce copywriter, analyze this customer data, and write a high-converting 3-part email campaign for a new product launch. Include 3 scroll-stopping lines, an engaging story hook, and a distinct call to action button for each email. Pro tip, to bypass manual copying, formatting bugs, or layout coding altogether, type this follow-up command. Convert this finalized email sequence into clean Shopify email liquid template code. Once Claude spits out the code, copy it, open your Shopify dashboard, navigate to apps, and launch Shopify email. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to build email campaigns in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.